Here's your living and the dining area, the spacious one. And this is your kitchen area. You can set a luxurious room in your house. So once you enter, hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Rajapushpa Imperia by Rajapushpa Properties. And this project is part of Rajapushpa Lifestyle City in Telapur, Hyderabad. And today we are here to check out their 3 BHK actual flat. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here on the actual construction site of the project, and this is the site of Rajapushpa Imperia where the construction work is in progress. Now about the marketing office is located just in 200 to 300 meters away from the project inside the Rajapushpa Lifestyle City itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. So this is your 2, 3, 4, 5 square feet of 3 BHK. Let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter from your main entrance, there is no direct living and dining area. They are providing you with the drawing room, and this is the drawing room where you can check out the space over here, which is much more spacious. Here you can add up your TV unit. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now we'll be moving further towards your living and the dining area. So walking towards this side. Here's your living and the dining area, the spacious one. So basically, this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit, which has the connecting balcony as well. And this is the connecting balcony. So let me show you the balcony. And once you move into your balcony, you can check out the anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony gives you two-side open view with a beautiful scenic view of the nature. Now moving further, so just over this side you can check out the puja room over here, the puja ghar with the spacious. Additionally, here you can add up your dining table, so which is much more spacious where you can add up your dining table. Here even they have provided a sink area. You can check out the sink. So with the easy access to your dining area, here's your kitchen area. And this is your kitchen area. You can set your platforms in L shape or a straight fitted one. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, they have provided a storage room over here. So this is the storage room. You can check out the space from inside as well. Even with the storage room, they are providing the utility area, and here's the utility area with anti-skid flooring, and here's the provision for your machines. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. And once you move out from your kitchen area, let me show you your bedroom number 1 right in front of me over here. So there are 2 bedrooms in front of each other, and this is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the space, how spacious this room is with 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can add your bed over here, your wardrobe over this side, and TV unit in the front. This bedroom has attached washroom as well, which is right in front over here. This is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now right in front is your bedroom number 2, and this is the entrance for your bedroom number 2. Let's enter towards the side. This is your bedroom number 2, and you can check out the space with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this room, attached to washroom as well. So let me show you the washroom in detail. with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about the master bedroom. Now moving further towards your master bedroom. But before moving further, let me introduce you with key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tool, with its sample and actual flight videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI scheduling, 360-degree location tool. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And your master bedroom is right in front of you with this site. And this is the most spacious and luxurious room in your house. So once you enter, you can check out the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, which makes this room much more better. And this is the space that you are looking for. The best one, again a window for ventilation and lighting in this room. And there is one more plus point, the walk-in wardrobe area. So here's the walk-in wardrobe with connected washroom, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here at Rajapushpa Properties project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to roam here and there. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.